Here's how to put on your JSP Force 10 mask. Firstly, attach your filters. You'll need to locate the locking lugs on the filters and match them to the arrow marked on the mask itself. Once located, insert the filters and twist to the locking position. Remove the protective film and try to avoid touching the lens. Loosen the straps and pull the mask down over your head. Then adjust the 4 rubber straps so that the mask is comfortable and creating a good seal around your head. An effective seal is important in order to allow the mask to work correctly. A loose fit would allow particulates and contaminants to enter the mask, bypassing the filters, putting you at risk. It's worth noting that this mask will only effectively work if you are clean shaven. You can check that the mask is working effectively with a handy press to check design on the filters. Simply pinch the filters and try to breathe in. If the mask is correctly donned, then you won't be able to breathe in and you'll be able to feel and see the rubber of the mask deform. Make sure to test this with your head in multiple positions. If you don't get a good seal, you may need to adjust your straps or the mask may not be the correct size for you.